Welcome, in today's video we will be installing and reviewing PixelClient on Pojav Launcher. We will see if PixelClient provides better compared to other clients available. Installation. First, you can find the download link for the client in the video description along with the password in the pinned comment. After downloading, you need to cut the file and paste it in this file path. Once that's done, open Pojav Launcher and go to Add Version, select PixelClient, click on Done and then press Play. Review. PixelClient is a good client with basic features. During our testing, we noticed a boost of around 20-30 in addition to our normal which range from 100-200. However, your results may vary. That's it for today's video. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any suggestions for future videos or have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.